eyes. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're
Hello guys and welcome back to Team Car Delight English channel. So this right over here is the new Dzire facelift VXI trim, and this is a very mesmerizing and amazing and extremely royal color, and we are going to share a most detailed walk around review along with on-road price comparison and another detail as well. Also the waiting period on Dzire and discount on Dzire you can check on your display screen. Furthermore guys, if you have any doubts, any question regarding which car to purchase, or you are confused, you can head to our Instagram handle which is Team Guideline, and you can have a one-to-one conversation or interaction with us. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon as well to stay connected. So that's the new Dzire facelift, and this is the VXI trim which is most value for money and top selling as well. Also this is a very royal color which you are watching right now. And there is 2 years 40,000 kilometers of warranty which you can extend up to 5 years later on. Also you can purchase roadside assistance afterwards. And the average monthly sale of Dzire is 13,000 units, and it has been sold over 2 million in India, which means 20 lakh unit has been sold already. Also it's a front wheel drive vehicle which is being manufactured at Maruti Suzuki's Manesar plant. And straight up we have got normal halogen headlamp. And there are no fog lamps on offer. Fog lamp housing has chrome bezel, so we get big size front grille with chrome borders. And Dzire is the best selling and most sold compact sedan of India. And right off the bat, talking about the technical specification comparison, you can see the entire chart on your display screen. Dimension comparison: Dzire has a ground clearance of 163 mm, turning radius 4.8 meters, boot space 378 liter, fuel tank capacity 37 liter, and curb weight is between 880 kg to 915 kg. In front there are disc brakes on offer, on rear we get drum brakes. So these are 14 inches steel wheels with multi-spoke silver color wheel covers, and these are 165 by 80 profile tires. There are body color wing mirrors with turn indicators, body color door handle, B-pillar is in black color, and there is micro roof antenna. And guys, that's the supremely attention grabbing rear look. So Dzire suspension has been tuned towards slightly stiff side, which offers a very planted and composed ride quality over uneven section undulations or even in high speeds also. And there are 6 color option choice, which is Pearl Arctic White, Gallant Red, Premium Silver, Oxford Blue, Magma Grey, and Sherwood brown color. It is built on hearted platform with high tensile steel. So the rear bumper has got 4 sensors and 2 reflectors. And guys, these are fabulous looking LED combination tail lamps. Rear chrome applique is also available. High mount stop lamp. So to open the tailgate, we have to press this switch. We have got electromagnetic trunk opening. License plate lights are in halogen. And same as other compact sedan, the tailgate lid from inside is uncovered. So this is the cargo area of 378 liters. Quite well shaped. We have also got luggage lamp over here and a hook. So this is the first aid kit and other useful equipment and tool kit. So that's the spare tire, which is normal steel wheel of 14 inches, 165 by 80 section tire. So let's shut the tailgate. So guys, the first generation Dzire was launched back on March 26, 2008. After like 9 years, on May 16, 2017, the second generation Dzire was launched. And on December 24, 2019, the Dzire has achieved a significant milestone of 20 lakh sale mark, which is 2 million sale since it is launched. So moving on guys, there are plenty full of safety features which are being offered in this trim. So we have got ABS with EBD and brake assist, 2 airbags, rear parking sensor, ISOFIX child seat anchor, front seat belt with pretensioner, engine immobilizer, speed alert system, key left warning, front seat belt reminder, door ajar warning, low fuel warning, central locking, and speed sensing auto door lock. And there are two additional safety features which are available only in the VXI automatic, not in manual. So they are electronic stability program with hill hold assist. And the gross vehicle weight of Dzire is 1335 kg. And let's open the hood right away. So we have to unlock it first. Unlocking uses dual horn and locking uses single horn. And there is a private locking safety feature as well, so single time unlocking the vehicle will only unlock the driver side door, other doors will be locked. So we have to unlock one more time, then these doors will be unlocked. Also, Dzire is a front wheel drive sedan with only single BS6 engine on offer, which is 1.2 liter petrol with manual and automatic gearbox. Only the base variant doesn't have an automatic option, other variants has it. And you guys will be amazed to find out that the Dzire has underbody engine guard, which means complete underbody protection kit, which is generally not offered in the compact sedan segment. And this underbody protection kit can prevent the engine from locking if you drive to an area which has lot of water accumulation. So seldom what happens is that due to extra waterlogging, some amount of water can enter the engine, which can result in locking the engine, and it won't be covered under the warranty, so you have to pay a heavy amount for that. And the underbody engine protection kit can prevent this from happening, which is extremely good. So guys, engine option comparison you can check on your display screen. So Dzire has got 1.2 liter K series VVT 4-cylinder BS6 compliant petrol engine, which generates about 89 bhp of power and 113 Nm of torque. We have got 5-speed manual and automatic gearbox on offer, and it has an unbelievable mileage of 23.26 kmpl in manual and 24.12 kmpl in automatic. And in BS6 there is no diesel engine option which is on offer. And guys, the on-road price in comparison you can check on your screen. So let's get inside. So we have got two remote keys with lock and unlock switch. So let's turn on the vehicle. And over here we have got a splendid looking cabin in dual tone theme with this wooden trim which is looking quite luxurious. The carpeting is in beige color, the roof is also in beige color. The extra fuel efficiency of Dzire is generated by this, which is mild hybrid. This is automatic start stop switch, and this is headlamp leveler. And from here we can open the tailgate or fuel lid. We have also got clutch footrest. So that's the dual tone black and beige front door. We have got chrome in side door handle, speaker, bottle holder, and big size door pocket. And there are these fabric finish which is looking extremely nice and upmarket. There are electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs. You can install the auto folding function at a cost of 500 only, and that's how you can adjust. And furthermore we have power door lock switch. All 4 power windows are available with driver side power window auto down, but there is no auto up function. And tweeters are not available in this trim. You can get that too later on at a cost of 1200 to 1500 only. So guys, these are the front seats which are best in segment, which are most comfortable. It has got a huge amount of side support. Side bolsters are very good. Seats are extremely cushioned, especially the front ones. You can see the big size side bolsters. Under thigh support is also very good. We have got height adjustment for the driver side seat. So let's shut the door now. So let's turn on the engine. So there is safe clutch start, so we have to press the clutch to start the vehicle. So this basically is a very good safety feature which can prevent the small child in the car to abruptly start the car. And there is some storage space over here. You can keep the smartphone like this, and then piano black finish gear knob. So we have got rear parking sensors, but it won't show display anywhere. And then there are twin cup holders, some more storage space, so you can keep your smartphone here too. So there are handful of storage spaces in Dzire. There is 12-volt power socket, and this is USB and aux port. So moving on, we have manual AC with heater. There is rear AC vent as well, and overall cooling efficiency is quite appreciable. So this is audio system with LCD display. It supports USB, aux, CD, radio and Bluetooth. We have got 4 speakers and an audio remote control, which I will be showing you in a moment. And there are also satin silver elements in the cabin along with wooden treatment. So this is the glove box, and that's the audio remote control of the infotainment system. So over here there is a vanity mirror. In center we get a cabin lamp with theater dimming function, day and night IRVM, and over here there is a ticket holder. So this is the fabulous looking flat bottom super sporty steering wheel. We have got tilt adjustment, steering controls are illuminated but power window controls are not illuminated. We have got audio controls and Bluetooth calling controls, and these are controls for the headlamp, and these are for the wipers. So there are 2 wiper washers which does 3 spray each, and they work quite well. So that's how the instrument cluster looks like. We have got white illumination over here. In center there is MID screen which will display digital clock, total kilometers, dual trip meter, fuel gauge, average fuel consumption, instant fuel consumption, distance to empty, gear shift indicator, and we can also adjust the illumination of the cabin, which is backlit illumination. You can increase it or decrease it by rotating this knob clockwise or anti-clockwise. So Dzire seats are placed at quite a height, so getting in and out of the cabin is hassle free. Doors open quite wide also, have a wide aperture. This is the dual tone door with child safety door lock. So chrome inside door handle is available, power window control which is not illuminated. On rear door surprisingly we don't get fabric finish. There is a speaker, bottle holder and small size door pocket. Behind driver side seat there is no pocket, but behind passenger side seat we do get for magazine and newspapers. This is the rear AC vent, and this is 12-volt SSD socket, and between them is a mobile holder. And right from this variant we get 2 adjustable headrests, and you can see the amount of space on offer which is remarkable, and comfort too. There is center armrest and it has twin cup holders. We have also got child seat ISOFIX mounts over here, and armrest position is perfect. So at the rear also we have got a cabin lamp with theater dimming function. So that's the complete dashboard look from the rear of VXi trim. So guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. If you have any doubt, you can head to our Instagram handle which is Team Car Delight.